our stainless steel work table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, of a length of 78 inches, a depth of 30 inches, the overall height, we have 34.5 inches tall. Coming to the bottom will be an additional area for storage, with the shelf measuring 77.5 inches by 22.25 inches in depth. Please note that the bottom storage shelf is fixed in position and cannot be adjusted. Total height of the table itself, thickness, we have 1 3/4 inches for the top and 1.5 inches on the bottom shelf. Each legs are held in by feet or pegs, and this film covering the stainless steel table can be removed. And located to the far left corner is the NSF certification sticker. This table can support weight of all the equipment that we sell through our website. Whether it's char broilers, burners, griddles, or everything else, this table stand can act as support that will hold the weight and each of the equipment that we carry through Cooler Depot. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotusa.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.